suck at ChatGPT? Hindi mo lang talaga alam ang tatlong bagay na ito na ipapakita ko sa'yo. And the third one, it's a game changer. Number 1, itigil mo na ang copy-pasting. You can just drag and drop into ChatGPT your images, screenshots, or even PDFs. Babasahin niya ito lahat instantly and it will turn your messy notes to a clean summary. Number 2, ang gulo-gulo ba ng chat history mo? Introducing projects. You can use projects para ma-organize lahat. It could be business planning dito, content creation doon, or even your personal life. No more endless scrolling. Number 3, may thousands of GPTs to choose from for your needs. Browse the GPT store and find your own AI assistant. It could be email writer or fitness coach, even study buddy. All you need to do is search for it and then you'll have it. Now, these 3 features will totally change how you work with AI. Kaya lagi mong tatandaan,